Hello student, now we are going to study geography paper second, that is GG 202, physical geography paper second, hydrosphere. In this paper we have to study about a unit number 4, that is marine deposits and coral reefs. B part of this unit is coral reefs. Here we have to discuss about definition and formation of coral reefs and types of coral reefs. Definition of coral reefs. Coral reefs are underwater structures made from calcium carbonate secreted by coral. Corals are a significant submarine feature. These are formed due to accumulation and compaction of skeletons of lime-secreting organisms known as coral polyps. Coral polyps thrive in the tropical oceans between 20° north and 25° south latitudes and live on lime. Numerous coral polyps live live at a place in group in the form of colony. Here, the conditions for the growth of coral polyps are the corals are found mainly in the tropical oceans and seas because they require high mean annual temperatures and the range of temperature is 20° centigrade to 21° centigrade per year for the survival of coral polyps. Corals do not live in a deeper water, that is not more than 60 to 77 meters below sea level, because they die in waters deeper than 77 meters due to lack of a sufficient amount of sunlight and oxygen. There should be clean sediment free water. It is also a required condition for the growth of coral polyps because the muddy water clogs the mouth of coral polyps. Then very high proportion of oceanic salinity is injurious for the growth of coral polyps. It means the high salinity is harmful for the coral polyps because such waters contains little amount of calcium carbonate and lime is important food of coral polyps. The oceanic salinity ranging between 27 per thousand and 30 per thousand grams is the most favorable for the growth and development of coral polyps. Ocean currents and waves are favorable for the development and growth of coral polyps. Then the definition of coral reefs. Coral reefs are underwater structures made from calcium carbonate secreted by corals. Rip. A rip means a low line of rocks in sea. Then the formation of coral reefs. Coral reefs are formed due to formation of one cell upon another cell along submarine platforms at a suitable depth. A depth about 50 fathoms. Most coral reefs were formed after last glacier period, when melting ice caused sea level to rise and flooded the continental shelves. The reefs grew upwards, facing rise sea levels. Reefs that rose too slowly could become drowned reefs, covered by so much water that there was insufficient light. Coral reefs are found in the deep sea way from continental shelves around oceanic islands and as atolls. Atoll means a ring of narrow growing coral animals of horseshoe shape and crowned with palm trees. Then types of coral reefs. The submarine coral reefs are classified in two ways. On the that is on the basis of nature shape mode of occurrence and on the basis of location. On the basis of nature shape and mode of occurrence, there are the types of coral reefs like fringing reef, barrier reefs, and atolls. On the basis of location, that is tropical coral reefs and marginal belt coral reefs. Here, the the types of coral reefs are there. The principal reefs types are fringing reef, barrier reef, atolls, table reef, and patch reef. Fringing reef. Coral reefs developed along continental margin or along the islands are called fringing reef. The slope of a fringing reef is steep and vertical towards the sea, while it is gentle towards land. These reefs are generally long but narrow in width. Fringing reefs are usually attached to the coastal land, but sometimes there is a gap between them and land, and a lagoon is formed between fringing reef and land. Such a lagoon is called boat channel. Such reefs are found along Sakau Islands, Florida, etc. and etc. places. Then barrier reefs. The largest coral reefs of the coastal platform, but parallel to them, are called barrier reef. These are the largest, most extensive, highest, and widest reefs of all types of coral reef. The average slope is about 45 degree, but some barrier reefs are characterized by 15 degree to 25 degree slope. There is an extensive but a shallow lagoon between the coastal land and barrier reef. Barrier reefs are seldom found as continuous chains rather than they are broken at many places, and thus lagoons have contact with the open oceans and seas through tidal inlets. Great Barrier Reef, located parallel to the east coast of Australia, it is the largest of all barrier reefs. Coral reefs प्रवाळ भिंती अत्यंत विस्तीर्ण असतात. उदाहरणार्थ ऑस्ट्रेलियातील ग्रेट बॅरियर रीफ याची लांबी हजारो किलोमीटर आहे. पश्चिमी उष्णकटिबंधीय महासागराचे उथळ पाणी उबदार तसेच खारे आणि क्रियाशील असते. या ठिकाणी प्रवाळ भिंतीची वाढ होण्यास अनुकूल परिस्थिती निर्माण होते. Atolls, a ring of narrow growing corals of horseshoe shape and crowned with a palm tree is called atoll. It is generally found around an island or in a elliptical form on a submarine platform. There is a lagoon in the middle of coral ring. The atolls are divided into three types, and these are true atolls, island atolls, and coral island. Atolls are found in Antilles Seas, Antilles Seas, Red Sea, China Sea, Australian Sea, Indonesian Sea, etc. Then table reef. Acropora is a genus of small polyps stony coral in the phylum Cnidarian. Some of its species are known as table coral. Table corals are in four different colors, and these colors are red, green, blue, and purple. It is known as a stony coral because of hard calcium carbonate skeleton. These reefs are found off the coast of Egypt in Red Sea. Then patch reef. Patch reefs are small and isolated reefs. They usually occur between fringing reefs and barrier reefs. These are found in South China Sea and Indonesian Sea. The major reef formation in India are restricted to the Gulf of Mannar, Pak Bay, Gulf of Kutch, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and the Lakshadweep Islands. The Lakshadweep reefs are atolls, and other are all fringing reefs. Patch coral is found in the intertidal areas of the central west coast of the country. Then the distribution of corals. Coral reefs are estimated to cover very large areas. Coral reefs distribution regions are the Great Barrier Reef region. This reef is located between 9° to 22 degrees south latitudes. It is the largest coral reef in the Queensland province of Australia. Then the Indo-Pacific region. It includes Red Sea, Indian Ocean, Southeast Asia, and the part of Pacific Ocean. Here, the west coast of America and Africa. Coral reefs are rare along the west coast of American and Africa coast. Then the Philippines coral reefs. This reef area, the second largest reef in the South Asia. Okay, in this way, the chapter is over. Thank you.